Hello everyone, and welcome. Today I'm excited to show you how to run the innovative Wan 2.1 model on Promptus. Wan 2.1 is an incredible open source video generation suite that lets you create videos using text, images, and even sound, all directly on Promptus. Let's dive into how to set it up and create stunning videos with just a few clicks. I'm Claudia, and I'm about to show you how Promptus and the open source Wan 2.1 model can transform the way you create video content forever. Thanks to Promptus' automated one-click installer, you don't need to worry about dependencies or configurations. Everything is handled for you. Begin your journey by downloading Promptus. Visit www.promptus.ai. Click the pink download button. This is going to take you to our simple form. Type your email address and name and submit. The confirmation page will have a URL to download the latest Promptus app. Before we dive into the details of setting up Promptus and running the Comfy workflow, let me tell you why Wan is ruling the AI world. Wan 2.1's 1.3B model runs on your everyday GPU with just 8 gigabytes VRAM. That's a 5-second video in 4 minutes on an RTX 4090. And did we mention Wan VAE can handle 1080p videos of any length without losing temporal information?
Okay, now that you know everything about Wan, let's go through setting up a workflow on Promptus. Promptus is a super easy application to start using the Wan model with. Once you've downloaded Promptus, go to your profile button, click the Open Manager button on your profile. Keep in mind that you want to have an account registered so that you have all the features and functionality. Go to Set Up ComfyUI. This is going to set up an instance of Comfy. It's going to take a few minutes. As soon as you get the setup confirmation, click the Run Comfy button. It's going to load all the custom nodes and information you need to run Comfy directly on your PC. The great thing about the Wan model is that it works on an 8 gig VRAM. Click on the ComfyUI tab, and here you'll want to click the refresh button. Okay, so now we've got our Comfy loaded. I have a workflow that I was playing with earlier. I will share the workflow on the link below in the description. You want to just click that, load it. It's going to bring up the save web file. That means that the node isn't actually there. It's a node that we can put in. So I'm going to use the video combine node from Video Helper Suite. And I'm going to connect the VA code to the image. And I'm going to go to my manager. Just for you guys who don't have maybe some of the custom nodes, type in Wan and download the Wan video wrapper. That's the best node for this workflow. You want to have the clip, the UMT5. Go to my models, do a quick refresh, and go to your text encoder. Load your UTM inside your text encoder. Load your diffusion model. Load your VA. There's no checkpoints for this. It's just a diffusion model. I'm going to use a different prompt. So click the Q. It depends. I've had it work on the Wan 2.1, but because I have 8 gig RAM, that's not the best. So I've used a diffusion PyTorch model, which still gives me good results. I like to make these a little bit smaller so they all fit in one screen. We want to change this to an MP4. It's easier to download and share. You can also keep track of the progress. This is going to be on your P Manager application. The workload has been loaded, and it'll be a few minutes before the image gets generated. Alright, so the last bit I'm going to show you is the actual videos that it produced. These are very good. It has incredible motion. I'm so excited about AI. Okay, guys, well, that's it for me today. Thank you for watching, and if you found this insightful, please hit like, subscribe, share your thoughts, and any comments that you have. Remember, I've left the links to the workflows and to Promptus. Promptus is free to download on my description. Thank you, and have a great day.